Elevate your Apple TV cinematic experience by seamlessly connecting your Arctis Nova 7 headphones to your iPhone. First things first, let's get your iPhone ready for the connection. Ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned. When you can do this by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen to access Control Center and tapping the Bluetooth icon if it's not already lit up blue. Now, let's prepare your awesome Arctis Nova 7 headphones. Press and hold the power button on your headphones until you hear a confirmation sound and the indicator light starts blinking rapidly. This means your Nova 7 is now in pairing mode and ready to be discovered. Head back to your iPhone settings and tap on Bluetooth. Your iPhone will start scanning for nearby devices. You should see Arctis Nova 7 appear in the list of other devices. Tap on it to initiate the pairing process. Once paired, Arctis Nova 7 will move up to the My Devices list and show Connected. Next to it, you'll also hear a confirmation sound from your headphones, and the indicator light will likely turn solid. Now let's connect to your Apple TV. On your Apple TV, navigate to Settings, then select Remotes and Devices, followed by Bluetooth. Your iPhone, now connected to the Nova 7, will allow the headphones to be recognized by your Apple TV. Your Arctis Nova 7 headphones should now appear in the Bluetooth device list on your Apple TV. Select Arctis Nova 7. To connect, you can then start watching your favorite shows on Apple TV and enjoy the immersive audio directly through your Nova 7s, all controlled conveniently from your iPhone.